You're going to want to do it. Three looks up to the left. Hey, the height's good. I think your height's good. What we doing? You got your zoom and everything all good? Remember, it's a foul stage, so you can't touch your scope once you're up on target.
Even the zoom.
Yeah. Double check your zoom. Make sure your parallax is in an acceptable.
What do you think that? Two stages there? Okay.
All right.
I got you.
Extend the course of fire.
I think so.
Shooter ready.
Yep.
Gunner ready.
Water up.
On the beat. Oh, freaking cold, man. 6. Dang, I fully expected to leave that one. 26. Right on. Did I say it? Get back! Drop the mag. Alright, what do you want me to do? I got hit shot. Oh, you good? Yeah, last one. I'm feeling bad, man. No, you're helping plenty, trust me. There you go. Get back! The last one, Dick and I basically did everything. It was a bit exhausting. I bet. We had to all score. Dick and I had to do all the scoring. It was fucking great.
Yeah, I mean, we would get a plan.
I didn't exist.
And same thing. That bundle. That's bad.
All right.
That plan.
That sucked.
How'd you do? I heard a couple impacts.
I don't know, 1 or 2. I don't know. I am like, I just do not do well in cold at all.
That's all right. It's all about the experience, right, babe?
Yep.
Looks like those last. Ready?
Even if it's really hard to see, like the scope can actually spot your misses.
Yeah.
It's like to see like where. Yeah, because the first one,
So they
I
went.
was a little heavy on the. Yeah, I got quoted more.
Okay. Got a spotter?
Yeah, I got it.
Are you guy right?
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Do I hit this again?
No, you don't hit it at all.
I keep updating my weather.
It's not moving.
The one time he told me to do it. Did it beep already?
Yeah.
Oh, then go ahead.
Still not moving. They get to see them all.
Once, and then you. That's what he told me. I've only used it once, though.
I need some help on this up and down. Like that. Zero's good, and but it's low.
Just see what it does.
Oh,
I don't think it's working.
you don't think it's working?
Sitting up. It's got to be over.
Right.
Yeah, I didn't watch the display.
Mike, did that beat?
There it is.
Tom.
What on earth happened there?
I don't know.
That's not normal.
That's never happened before. I don't know what that. I don't know what's going on.
That's not barrel related.
He's spotting. You ready? Ready? He's got the iPad. Okay.
Figure I only hit
Ready?
the small one.
Yep.
So I hit. You too. Aim small, this small, I guess.
We get done. Typically, you want to go up. Uh-oh. Take 4 or what? That's not good. 490, you're at 242. Right? Hold it. Or you can duck.
Well, that sucked.
Exactly.
I
Help these guys. I'll move our shit to the next one. With the guns.
I couldn't see through the scope on that second. After the first rung, because
Everybody ready?
the rung flowed right in the line of the scope. It was too high with that.
Oh, really?
Too high with the
Bag?
the thing, so I had to take it out.
I think that's what Steiner tries to do.
Shooter know what's up?
I think so.
All right.
A lot can be said about
Shooter ready.
consistently.
Yep. Stand by. Get some. Buy your own. Where's the impact? You get it? 15.42.
Make safe, please. Good and decent.
Better on that one.
Nice shooting, babe.
Pretty good. Thanks. Halfway through.
Reese, you want to take it? Reese, you take over for Bill so he can.
You got your shit ready for the next one? You're going together?
So what do you think made that easier? Not easier, but go smoother. Just different targets.
Well, one thing, they're closer, so the wind doesn't
This is
much
my
of an
rifle.
impact to the shooting, but I'm not as cold as I was earlier,
Oh, okay. That helps.
so that definitely helped, I think.
That's good.
Turned on the wind machine again. Oh shit! I knew that was on. Damn it! I knew it was gonna happen. Got it. My pot fell.
You're ready.
All right.
Ready.
Yep. Ready.
Stand by.
I'm the only one with an optic left, apparently.
Yeah, you are.
Mine are still good.
After all wrecked.
I'm find out if
Apple one has a warranty.
I like the snow, you know. Very beautiful. Impact!
Good job, Derek. Good job.
Thank you. I did the thing. Did the thing with the thing. Yes. Impact! Same style. That's right. Sound like James Hetfield. Like downgrade to a beanie. I was wrong. I was dead wrong. Yeah, it's relatively warm. Glad I went. Impact!
Gotta go low.
Ryan! Followed by Mike! Followed by Dick, I mean Derek! It's only an hour and a half.
You ready?
I think so.
Only a few more left, huh?
This next wall started. It's died down just a hair.
I think it helps being behind this box.
Yeah.
Rock that.
Impact!
Hopefully I make some hits.
You will.
Hopefully.
So you might want to hold like
We'll see.
Are you able to watch for impact?
I might not be where the fuck.
Very far.
I know, right?
All right, good luck, babe.
Steve's up, Josh is on deck, down into the hole.
I think my ejector spring is weak. It's not clear enough.
Dipstick and diamond, move. Dipstick and diamond, move, right?
Correct. I'm standing right next to you. Huh? I'm going to stand right next to you. I hear this. Like right here.
Yeah. I got you move that.
Shooter ready?
Hold on.
Spotter ready? Go. Shooter ready? Go.
Did I miss something? Yeah, you dropped the last one.
Did you miss the last one?
Yeah.
It goes lower now.
You shoot yet? What are you at?
Nice shooting, babe.
On the far. All right, sir, get him to their course of fire.
I think so.
That's better than most of these guys. That's better than most of these guys. Are you ready? Yeah. Not exactly doing good briefings today. We'll get over it. We're still shooting shit. It's not like we're gonna hit shit with this wind anyway. You ready? You get the one? Steve, right? Steve, right? Ready? Stand by. Go. You get him, Derek. No prisoners. Go ahead, get close. I'll stay out of your way.
No, it's all right.
Yes, there is. Put on there. Nice and sun's up. Close one. No, I couldn't see it.
What'd you think of that, babe? It's good shooting.
Well, it was okay. It was better than some of the other stages, but I screwed up. Like, the first run, I would have had more points, but I was going to hold over for the second, third, and fourth targets, and I forgot to hold over. Just by coincidence that I think I actually hit the second target because it was long enough. I missed the third and fourth, but then I was like, why am I off? Hitting low. And I'm like, shit, dumbass. And it's right there on my data card plus the numbers for the... I just forgot to do it. But the second time out, I actually was doing the holdovers and I got a couple more hits there. What did I get, like 5?
I couldn't tell.
5 or 6?
Because I kept hearing impact, but I couldn't tell if it was for you or somebody else.
Yeah, I did better than some of the other classic, you know, newbie screw up. Not remember to actually hold over.
That's all right. Good job, Tim.
It happens.
Yeah.
The Ipsic, right? Move to the next one. Move to the next one. You ready?
Yep. Quick!
Here comes the stuff. 700.
Quick! Quick! What's going on, boys?
I should ask Steiner.
How'd that go, babe?
Better than some of the other ones today.
Yeah,
I think, what, I get 3 or 4?
I think.
Let's do that. Let's do that.
But the wind is definitely down. It's less wind now than what it was earlier. But, yeah, it felt pretty decent, but didn't get all the shots off. But,
Yeah.
I mean, on this one, you know, you take 2 at the big one, then you keep moving down. So it's a smaller target as you go on, so
Yeah. How do you feel you did all day?
sucky. But conditions the way they were, I mean, I got some hits, I'm happy. You know,
I think you probably did
I know where I need to practice. I mean, that's a given, that's a constant, you know.
Yep.
You just don't have time. Now look, snow squall's gonna start again.
Yep.
I'm glad I'm done for the day
Me too.
so we can get warm.
Yep. Good job today, babe.
It was fun. Even if I didn't hit anything, I still enjoyed it.
Absolutely.